So here we're going to use BEDMAS to solve these problems. Now it's really important that you actually work on these on your own and do your own steps, and then check afterwards to see if your answers are correct and see where you might have made mistakes in your steps. So if you haven't done that yet, pause the video and do these ones first yourselves, and then come check the solutions. Okay. So this one here, what we want to do first is we want to convert into an improper fraction. Because improper fractions are going to be much easier to work with when we're doing these calculations. So I'm going to get 16 over 3 minus 34 over 5 divided by 10 over 3 minus 12 over 5. Okay, so we need to do the brackets first. So again, we don't do anything to this 16 over 3. Now, to get a common denominator here, we need to show the multiplying factors. So here we have times 5, times by 5. Here we're going to have times by 3, times by 3. So we end up with 50 over 15. So 50 over 15 minus 36 over 15. Okay, so that's going to end up being 14 over 15. I'm going to save some steps here because I'm running out of room. So I'm going to multiply by, so this ends up being 14 in the numerator, 15 in the denominator. So I'm going to flip that around. So 15 in the numerator, 14 in the denominator. Okay, and then we have some common factors that we can simplify out. So when I simplify this, I'm going to end up with a common factor of 2. So I have 17 and 7. Here between the 15 and 5, there's a common factor of 5. So that becomes 1 times 3. Okay, so then we're going to do the subtraction, the multiplication first, and then we'll do the subtraction last. So we get 16 divided by 3 minus, this ends up being 51 all over 7. Okay, so now we do the subtraction. So again, we need a common denominator. So here I need a times by 7, times by 7. Here I need a times by 3, and a times by 3. So here I end up with 112 over 21. Okay, 7 times 10 is 70, 7 times 6 is 42, so 70 plus 42 is 112. Here we get 3 times 50 is 150, times 1 is 3, so 153 over 21. Okay, so then once we've done that part, we can just evaluate that. So 112 minus 53, so it's going to give us negative 41 all over 21. 41 is prime, so that's going to be our final solution to that.